A very good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Aryan and I am from class 10C. Today I will be presenting my project on the topic parallel circuit. So first of all, what is a circuit? It is a closed and continuous path through which electric current can flow. It consists of a source of energy such as a battery, an appliance that uses the energy such as a bulb, a switch or a key to open and close the circuit. It has connecting wires to connect all the components of the circuit together. A circuit is of two types, series circuit and parallel circuit. Let us first look at series circuit. A series circuit consists of a single pathway through which electric current can pass. All the components of the series circuit are collected along the same path, one after the other, without any branches. Here you can see the image of series circuit. It consists of a battery, a switch and two electric bulbs. The battery creates potential difference and allows the flow of current. When the switch is turned on, the electric current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. When the electric current has to pass from both the bulbs. So the electric current that passes from both the bulbs is same, but the potential difference across both the bulbs is different. Now let us look at the second type of circuit, that is parallel circuit. A circuit is said to be in parallel when the electric current has multiple ways to follow. All the components that are part of parallel circuit have a constant voltage applied across its ends. Now here you can see the image of parallel circuit. Similar to series circuit, it consists of a battery, a switch and two bulbs which are arranged in parallel. The battery creates potential difference which results into the flow of current. When the switch is turned on, the electric current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. But here the current has two pathways to follow. So the current gets divided among the two bulbs. But the potential difference remains same. Now, as we have seen what is a series and parallel circuit, let us move on to my project. The aim of my project is to show parallel circuit, the one that we discussed earlier. The materials used in this activity are first, a battery. A battery is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. It provides EMF and creates potential difference, which leads to the flow of current. Second is LED bulb. The full form of LED is light emitting diode. It uses semiconductor which emits visible light when electric current passes through them. Third is a switch. A switch is a device that is used to close and break the circuit whenever required. Connecting wires. Connecting wires connect all the components of the circuit and allow the flow of electric current from one point to another. Now let us look at the model of my project of parallel combination. So this is the model of parallel circuit. Here I have connected a battery which is a source of energy, switches and 5 LED bulbs. Here the battery creates potential difference across its terminals which creates the flow of current. The current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal, while the flow of electron is from negative terminal to the positive terminal of the battery. Here I have connected the positive terminal of the battery to the positive terminal of the bulbs through a red wire through switches to a single red wire, and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the negative terminal of the bulb through a single black wire. Therefore, the potential difference of 9 volt is applied across all the ends of the bulb. In this, the total current is divided among the 5 bulbs. So the total current in the circuit is the sum of all the currents that is in each LED bulb. Here you cannot see any of the bulb illuminated. That is because the circuit is broken as the switch is turned off. Whenever I turn on the switch, the circuit gets completed and you can see the bulb illuminating. Here I can turn on each bulb and you can see the bulb illuminates. Even if I switch off any of the bulb, the circuit does not have any effect. The rest of the bulbs work perfectly fine. Now, as we have seen our project, let us move on to the difference between series and parallel circuit on the following parameters. First is component orientation. In series circuit, components are arranged one after the other, while in parallel circuit, components are arranged in head-to-head or tail-to-tail manner. Second is current. In series circuit, same amount of current flows through each component in the circuit, but in parallel circuit, different amount of current flows through different components of the circuit. Third is voltage. In series circuit, different components have different potential difference across its ends, while in parallel circuit, different components have same potential difference across its ends. Fourth is number of paths. In series, the current has only a single path to follow, while in parallel circuit, the current has multiple paths to follow. Fifth is fault. In series circuit, if there is a fault in any one of the component, the electric current flow disrupts. Thus, none of the components work. While in parallel circuit, even if there is a fault in any one of the components, the other components work perfectly fine. Sixth is troubleshooting. In series circuit, troubleshooting is very difficult, while it is quite easy in parallel circuit. 7 is equivalent resistance. The equivalent resistance in series circuit is high as compared to individual resistors, but in parallel circuit it is less than individual resistors. Now we are going to look at the use of parallel combination in electricity distribution network. In this diagram, we can see 8 houses, 3 poles on which the main phase and neutral wires are laid. The potential difference across the phase and neutral wire is 230 volts. The 8 houses are connected to main phase and neutral wire through service wires. The potential difference of 230 volt is applied across each houses. If we want to cut the supply of any one house, it can be done without disrupting the supply of other houses. But this cannot be done in case of series. Even if there is a fault in any one of the house, the other house will receive the supply undisturbed. But if it was a series combination, then the other houses will not receive the supply as there would be a break in the circuit. Now let us look at the advantages of parallel combination. First, we can switch independent components on and off whenever required, but this cannot be done in case of series combination. Second is, even if there is a fault in parallel combination in any one of the components, the other components will work. But in case of series combination, the other components will not work as there will be a break in the circuit. Third, parallel circuit ensures that all the components in the circuit have same potential difference as that of the source. But this is not possible in series as the voltage drops when we add additional components.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this golden opportunity to present my project, and thank you everyone for your kind attention.